Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Vantage account. First, you just need to go to vantagemarkets.com, and in this page you will find join now button and the register button at the top right corner. You can simply click on register or join us now button, and here is the sign up form. You make sure first you just need to make sure that all the ad blockers that you have installed in your Chrome browser or any browser that you use are disabled in these steps. So after disabling all the ad blockers here, you can go with the process. You can continue the process from here. You can see I have just uh, disabled all my ad blocker. Now you have to choose your country, then you have to enter your email address here. Make sure you enter active and secured email account that you have. Then simply click on send code and you will get a code in your email account. So go to your mailbox and enter the verification code. Here is the verification code that's sent by Vantage. You just need to copy this code from here and you just need to paste this code here. Then after paste this verification code, you just need to enter a strong password. From here, it should be 8 to 16 characters, and it must need to a number included, and you just need to blend letters of capitals and small letters, and you have to use a special character too. So I'm going to enter a password that meet all the criterias. Here it is, and the last one is referred by. If you have any referral number, then you can enter your referred number in this box. Now select if you are individual or if you're company, then select company. Then select these two boxes, check these two boxes and click on create account. Now after a short loading, you will be redirected to the Vantage dashboard where you can enter your personal details. First, you just need to enter your first name, then you just need to enter your last name. You need to select your gender, then you need to input the date of birth from here, and the phone number, then the country and main residence that you lived in, and the nationality. After completing all these boxes, click on next button. Now from here you just need to choose the trading platform. Here is three type of trading platform available. One is MetaTrader 5, another is copy trading, and the last one is MetaTrader 4. But MetaTrader 5 is recommended, so choose this and choose account type from here. You will find various type of account here like standard, raw, swap free, then cent standard, swap cent raw, and many others. So standard is recommended. Click on standard, and here you just need to choose your account currency. I'm going with USDT, and make sure that the box is checked that you have agreed to their terms and condition. Now click on next, and your account is now ready to make a deposit. But first you just need to verify your account through a ID verification process. Simply click on ID verification button here. Then from here you just need to see the data and privacy and click on this box, and from here you again need to enter your first name, your middle name if you have, then your last name and nationality and date of birth. Enter these details for ID verification. You can click on continue for next step, or you can also continue on your phone. Now in the next step you need to enter a valid document to verify your identity. You can use your driver license, your ID card that issued by your government, or resident permit or passport. If you go with your ID card, I'm going to go with my ID card, then you just need to give the photo of the front side of your ID card and the back side of your ID card. Then they will verify your document, and after a verification process from the Vantage team, you will get verified your account. It will take a few business days, so don't worry, be patient and your account will verified. And here is the whole process to create a verified live account of Vantage. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.